I'm Rishika. Hi, Cloudforce. Hi again. I'm taking part in this hackathon, and the reason is because universities sit on terabytes of data watching videos only once, and then nobody watches those videos. For that, I have built Strata. Let me share my screen. This is the front page of how Strata would look. There are different options of student, faculty, and both. For student, students can paste a video, your YouTube link, and click on Analyze feature. Here we can see there are 5 different agents which are running. First is the ingestion agent. Second is the knowledge agent. Third is the study agent, which runs parallelly with the audit agent. Study agent is for students and audit agent is for faculty. Since I'm clicking on student and it will show us both the details of it would take a little longer for the study and audit agents to run because their pipeline is longer and complex. And the fifth one is quality agent. As you can see, I had clicked on students, so that's why the fourth agent did not start working because that one was only for the faculty. So that's the video, which we can play here in the screen as well. Here it shows how many seconds each agent worked. Since we are on the student tab, the fourth agent, which was for the audit, for faculty did not work. Summary, it shows 90-second summary, 5-minute summary, and full comprehension. Flashcards for quick revision for students. What is a large language model? It gives you an answer. You can move to the next, or you can shuffle the cards. How to chatbot works, you can answer the question and then click on tap to reveal. Then a transcript. This is the entire transcript of the entire video of whatever is being said and whatever is being played in the video. Here are timestamps where students can click and go directly to that timestamp. The fourth feature here is search feature. You can say what are large language models. It will give the answer along with the timestamps, and students can click on that timestamp and go directly to that point. So it has given all the timestamps where what are large language models has been explained. You can click on that particular timestamp and it will go here. Then there's a translate function. Since I had clicked English at the very beginning, there's no particular translated script that has come. And you can see here that it shows like a quick timer, like in 20 minutes, you can finish this whole understanding of a 7-minute video along with the flashcards. It shows keywords, what are being used. Then for the faculty, we'll paste the same. Also, one more thing is that this model is not just bilingual, it is multilingual. It has many different languages like Arabic, Hindi, Spanish, French, and Mandarin too. So I'll show that also in a second. As you can see that we are on the faculty tab. The third agent, which was for students, is not working. It is only designed for students, and audit agent is only designed for faculty and for faculty's eyes only. So this is the overall score. The pedagogical clarity, accessibility, equity and inclusion, like all the scores are given here, and findings like more detailed answer of why it has given an 85 on 100 for this particular thing, why for accessibility it has given 78. It also has timestamps where you can go and click. Then fix. If you had to change one thing before publishing, this is only for faculty. It gives you some of the other fixes, like the term large language model is introduced without a clear definition at a very early stage, and suggests faculty that you can define what large language models are before just beginning the video. Um, for again, and this is for both. Like if you want to like quickly check for both the students, this is just a feature that I have added here. For students, it should be different, and for faculty, they should be given a passcode. And since I did not create 2 different websites for that, that would be a whole different hassle. So I just created one whole app. And for faculty, we can give some password or something to the faculty. Let's choose Arabic, for example. Let's click on Analyze. Since we have clicked on both here, both the agents, that is the study agent and the audit agent, will run parallelly. One more feature about this is that the flashcards, the summary, other than the transcript, would come in that particular language. So since I have selected Arabic, it would come in Arabic. If I would have selected Hindi, it would have come in Hindi. The last quality agent is this app handles any length of video. Since we are at both, we can see both the student view as well as the faculty view. This is the main page. The summary, however, has come in Arabic. I have checked with Hindi since I know Hindi. Arabic. Um, then flashcards are coming in Arabic as well. So Cloudforce team, do answer this question if you understand Arabic. Okay. Also, there's a timestamp here so that students can click. If they are giving a wrong answer, they can just click over there and go to the video. There are more. There are 15 flashcards. Translate, we click on translate. This is the original in English, and this is the one Arabic the student has selected. And again, the search feature is the same. I'll show you again the faculty view. Faculty view, again the same, since we have clicked on both. So this is all about Strata. Um, before I stop this video, I had to address the problem of. I'll give you a walkthrough of which particular deployment I have used. I have deployed the first and the second layers. I have not selected the third layer, not because I could not do it, because it said Provost would put around 10 videos, and which would be 10 API calls, 10 agent calls, 10 audit calls, which would be a little longer and would exhaust the resources very quickly since I'm on free tier on all applications. I would do that with a paid application with paid faster credits. One more thing, I deliberately did not do the third one just to save time. And instead, I focused more on the transcript feature, the multilingual feature, not just bilingual. First, I had thought of doing Spanish and English, but there are many students from different cultures. I thought, why not add most of the languages which are like common? After that, um, I spent more time on transcript generation and timestamp because timestamp was an essential part, and also the flashcards, that when students give a wrong answer during flashcards, they could just click on the timestamp and go directly to the video where that particular concept has been explained. And for faculty, the entire report for why the particular number out of 100 is explained. And in future, I think I would add a downloading that particular report option so that faculty has the entire report printed. So that was all about my project. Thank you so much for watching.